How can I convince you when I tell you I'm there? How can I convince you when I tell you I care? Just cause people.
What's going on, YouTube? We're here with Mike. Oh, stop.
What's up? What's up? Trying to get the seatbelt on.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yo, Mike, tell me about your car, man. What you got done to it?
Shit, me talking to the wrong person on that one. But it's got a Whippled supercharger, Gen 5, 3.75 pulley. All BMR suspension, short throw shift, carbon fiber, obviously. Gotta do that. C2 Customs provided that. He does excellent work. Don't have my gauges hooked up right now. I gotta redo that, but the wiring's in there. But we got patterns on here to adjust everything. I've got jack rails to keep me from fucking up my car. Sorry, keep that out. But you know, these plastic oil pans on these cars.
Yo, this is nice carbon right here. It's all freaking. It's a whole one piece.
Yep, it's all replacement, which is what I like about it.
Yo, I'm living in Texas already.
Texas is nice, man.
It's beautiful. So, we got the car together. And we also got this. I'm gonna drive this car. Huh? Probably be up front.
Well, I know
Nah, I don't know about that.
He's gonna be nervous to go fast. You're gonna have to hold his GoPro for him.
We gonna drive this.
Let's do it.
Yo, you gotta show the shirt. Merch.
Ah shit! Check out the new merch.
Not everybody know.
That's from the Fat Rat Custom Designs. We do merch. Anything custom you guys need, hit us up. He'll give you the link.
Right here. Hey. You ready, Brandy?
I'm ready.
I got you. Yes.
See, I got this too.
Oh, snap the camera.
Yeah. So you can do outside view and inside view on it.
So everything's good, right?
Yep. So actually, let's go before we go into reverse.
Okay. Park.
Let's hit us up into. You want to go track or drag?
Let's go track.
All right. Now let's adjust our camber. I mean our Magna ride.
Is this sport?
Yeah. Just adjust it. Just I would.
Gotcha. Snap. Ready?
We ready? We rolling. Rolly roll.
This car very comfortable.
Yeah, you'd be
I missed the
surprised with the ride. Just wait.
Just wait.
Magna rides the shit.
Yeah, I feel it.
Now, if you want to go into full manual mode, you
Just
just
that.
push the M, and then anytime you want to go live and drive, you know.
Oh, you little shooter.
I feel.
Oh, it'll go straight to the paddle shift?
Yeah. So you'll just paddle shift after that. Now, if you just want to paddle shift occasionally, you can just do live and drive.
Live and drive.
You can paddle shift at any time.
Yo, this
How far in the pedal were you?
not even far.
Oh, he thinks he's some shit. I said he thinks he's some shit. You can go manual mode if you want. It's up to you. Whatever. You can get it.
Is it more than a quarter tank?
Yeah.
That downshift though.
I know. And then if you want to rev, just hold both in at the same time.
It's neutral.
Yeah.
It's neutral.
Yeah, I'll put you neutral.
Yeah.
Yep. Get some fuel.
Shell is the best gas station. That is dope. Yeah. So we were on quarter tank. That's why I wasn't hitting it. But we're gonna go to full tank now.
Yeah, get into some, or I'm gonna have to.
Nah, I'm gonna get it. We gotta get video of you driving it though. You know?
Yeah. You can do that too.
She's a driver. I wasn't hitting it because we're on quarter tank. Sheesh. Here you go.
All right, we ready or?
Ready.
All right.
Yes.
So if you go, I think track or drag will be full manual. Anything under that, if you want to go full manual,
Right, you got it. So it's full manual right now.
if you push the M,
Oh yeah.
but you got to push the M. Now you're full manual. Flip you, you probably head down labor. You gotta shift up. I always do when I go into full manual. I'm like, oh yeah, I gotta shift. I get so used to it because it just
Yeah.
you can't shift faster than.
It looks clean from right here.
It does, right? Your car looks clean too.
Yeah. Let's see. Man, back in the day, all this was nice and open.
Yeah, all this was nice and open.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They weren't prepared for all the new houses.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a long road back here.
Let's see.
Oh, yeah.
Is it
This would be a nice spot.
Alright. Okay, so hold OK to initialize line lock. Now, to engage, firmly pull. Hold all the way down as hard as you can.
Yeah.
See, you still got to keep going.
All right, we got a truck coming in.
Okay.
Keep going.
Keep going. Oh shoot! I was engaged.
All right.
So I can let off the brake.
All right.
No.
Hold on, we got 2 cars coming.
Okay, we're waiting.
You're clear.
All right. You gotta push the gas. I said, I heard you beeping up there.
Hey.
It's gotta cut off.
Yeah, he's up here. He's up here sitting somewhere.
Yeah, he's probably up past the light.
Oh shit! I think I just accidentally hit recording.
This car is amazing.
It doesn't even feel like you're going as fast as you go.
Right, exactly. Like I could be going. I was going 80. I didn't feel like
You never gotten wide open throttle, have you?
No.
I'm just saying it.
Who's there?
I'm like, I haven't even done wide open throttle yet.
No.
No.
Oh my Yo. You make me want to get GT500.
It's the 500 on steroids, so you gotta remember.
Yeah.
Now you can feel the difference in full on manual and then when it does the auto shift. Doppelganger over there. You can just leave it out right here.
Yeah. I want to park it.
There we go. Here's your.
Got a couple racks on my body, nigga, you trippin'. Listen, I can be out by the night, but tomorrow we living. Not at my limit. I reached my hand out to God and I started to see me a difference. Mama told me I was special, the golden child. I always been on a mission. Yeah. Got a couple racks in the safe, got a couple racks in the air. I started seeing it clear. When you got money, they care. Now I'm the bang, supposedly. I started making so much, I see people approaching me. There has been times all alone that I wish I had me somebody, nobody was close to me. Too much on my mind to be tweaking about even calling you back. I even try to avoid you cause I don't wanna let myself get attached. I let myself get vulnerable, letting people win just to get stabbed in my back. Me trying to work for the future I wanted was how I was able to let go the past. 2 hands on the wheel and my foot on the gas.